How to delete Bigo account permanently. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to delete Bigo account permanently. I hope for a subscribe and a like if this tutorial helped you. Now let's get started. Firstly, open the Bigo application on your device. On the bottom right of your screen, tap on the Me option. Here, scroll down and you will see the option for feedback. Tap on that and now you will see the option for account at the bottom. Tap on that. In question number 6, you will see the option for how to delete my Bigo account. Tap on that and then tap on the I want to delete account option. Now, in order to delete your account, you have to make sure that you meet the following conditions while deleting your account. The conditions are as mentioned. First, your account is safe. Next, the account has no large unconsumed or unwithdrawn property. Next, your account is not official operating account or official signing account. And lastly, no appeals or business disputes. If you pass all these requirements, tap on the Confirm and Continue option. You will be led to the Terms and Conditions page. Briefly go through the terms and conditions and now select the radio button there. Now tap on the Delete Account option and in the pop-up that appears, tap on Delete again. And this is how you can delete Bigo account permanently. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.